Hi! In front of me is STK LIFE 9 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Then choose this red button to start your recording, but firstly select Allow in two pop-ups. As you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it using the same left button. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the right one. Now you need to select Save over here, and as you can see, when I click on this right button again, I can see a list of all my recordings, and the current one is over here. You can always get rid of it though by holding it, choosing the delete icon at the bottom and clicking OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!